Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, we're going to be talking about configuring the thank you page settings. So after the user has registered for the webinar, they're going to go to a thank you page or a confirmation page that they are registered for the webinar. And so this is the page that we're going to be showing them. So what you can do is click on preview the thank you page. What I would recommend doing is to make sure that you have your registration page filled out properly is do a test registration, and then it should send you over to what looks like a page like this. Okay, I have my header here. And again, everything on this page is customizable as well. Okay, there's a few things on this page here. There's the opt-in video, or you can put an image there. You have your add to calendar, so they can quickly add this to their Google Calendar or iCal if they want to. You can also send them a text message reminder, so they just need to put in their mobile number and click on get a text message, and they'll get a reminder an hour before the webinar. And then it has all the basic details, countdown as to when the webinar is going to start, and the webinar URL that they're going to get. Now there's also a share and unlock reward feature that we've added where you can give away something for free if they like it on Facebook, tweet it, or share it on LinkedIn. So whenever they do one of these actions, it's going to flip over. It'll say what they can get for free, and you specify what it's going to be. Maybe it's a free report or a video. And then once they've done one of these three actions, it will give them whatever it is you're going to give them. Usually just provide them a URL or download a PDF URL. So this is what the thank you page settings are going to provide you. You have your main headline and then your sub headline. Okay, so it's just going to be, this is your main headline and your sub headline. And after that, you will have you can put in HTML, you can put in video, or you can have your image. Okay, if you're going to do a video or an image, it's the exact same process as you did on the registration page. Just put in your confirmation or thank you video, just paste it in here, and it will show up right on this page. Okay. Then you have the grab webinar URL. So here is the webinar URL. So it's going to be right here. Okay, so that's just the text for that. Same thing with the description. Okay, here's your subtitle copy right here. For whatever reason, you may have a custom webinar URL, but 99% of the time you're going to be using the webinar ignition URL that we provide you. Okay. Then you have your share and unlocked gift. So you can disable this if you don't want it, or you can enable it. Have your headline, and then you can either enable or disable Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn, depending on if you only want them to, get more Facebook likes, whatever it may be. And then you want to have your pre-share copy and then post-share copy. Pre-share copy is what they see before they share, and then once they've actually shared it on one of these social networks, the post-share reveal copy is what's shown. So you'll want to give them the the download button or whatever it may be. Okay. And so that is the share and unlock. Then you have your ticket and webinar info block. Okay, all of this probably, it really shouldn't change. For whatever reason, you may have a custom host or custom date copy, but all of this is pulled in from your webinar settings. Okay, that's just going to be this information right here. And then you have your mini countdown area. Okay, self-explanatory. That's just the countdown area. And then you have your add to calendar block, which is it'll show Google Calendar and iCal. And then your text message reminder. If you do want to show a text message reminder, or if not, this integrates with Twilio. So that's what we use. We may add additional services, but for now it integrates with Twilio. We'll show you in the notifications video how to configure your text message reminder. This is just going to show if you want to display it or not. So that is everything for the thank you page. Again, it's very similar to the registration page in terms of configuration options and embedding your video or your image, but this is the page that they're going to see after they register for the event.